everyone. Today we are going to see the editorial of Leetcode question number 53, where we have a given a integer array. We have to say the what is the maximum largest sum of the subarray, and we have to return its sum. Let's see the editorial of this question. Question is saying as that find the largest sum of a subarray. So if we have to find the largest sum of a subarray, brute force approach will be as we are seeing here. We have given a subarray, so can I say that I will generate each and every subarray. So our brute force will be generate all the subarrays, then calculate its sum and maintain the largest one. So this we have to do, that generate all the subarrays, calculate its sum and maintain the largest sum. So how we can generate all the subarrays? So code is simple for this. What we need is we have to write I is equal to 0 to n minus 1. Suppose nums array is given to us. So then we have to write j loop from I to n minus 1. So in between I and j we will get all these subarrays. So if we are getting all these subarrays, so can I write for k is equal to I to j, I will do, let's take here, what we can do is we can take a max variable here and we will take sum is equal to 0, and we will write for j is equal to I to j, we will do, sorry, k is equal to I to j, we will do sum plus is equal to nums of k. So in this way we will generate sum of each and every subarrays. Once we are done, we will update our maximum. So maximum will be max of sum comma max. So if you will see this code time complexity is n cube. So even if our n is less than equal to 10 power 3, it will leads to TLE. Let's see how we are going to solve this question. So suppose the array is given to us is -1, 2, 5, 6, -8, -10, 12, 13. So can I say that if we have to find the maximum subarray sum, suppose if all the arrays are negative in the array, suppose let's take one array in which all the elements are negative. So if that is the case, if everything is negative, so can I say that whichever is the maximum negative number, that is my answer. So here my answer will be -1. So can I say that wherever I will get my sum as negative, I will not calculate sum forward? So let's see this, how we are going to solve this. Let's take one sum is equal to, let's iterate on this, take sum is equal to 0 and max is equal to 0. So we can initialize max by integer dot mean value, because negative numbers are also there. So if we will take max is equal to 0, here I will get 0, which leads to wrong answer. So we have to take integer dot mean value. So first I will get -1. So if I will get -1, then my sum will be -1. And what is maximum between minus and 1 and integer dot mean value? It is -1. But say me, can we get maximum sum by negative number? No, it's not possible. So whenever my sum is becoming negative, means that whenever my sum is becoming negative, I will reset my sum. So it will get reset to 0, and my max value is still containing -1. If all the negative values are also there, so no problem in that. then I will get 2, so it will become 2, max will become 2. I will get 5, it will become 7, my max will become 7. I will get 6, my sum will become 13, max will become 13. Now I will get here minus 8, so my sum will be 5, but we don't have to update our max. Now again I have minus 10. If we have minus 10, my sum will become minus 5. Now when my sum will become minus 5, so I know that from here to here my sum is negative and we don't have to include negative answer. So again I will reset my sum. If I will reset my sum, it will become 0. Now I will get 12, my sum becomes 12. Now I will get 13, my sum will become 25, and we have to update our max also 25. So I hope this approach is clear to you all. So for this my answer is 25. Let's see the pseudo code. So what we have to maintain? We have to maintain one sum is equal to 0. We have to maintain one mean value which is equal to integer dot mean value. Now we have to iterate in this array, yes or no? If we have to iterate in this array, so can I write here for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, or nums dot length I plus plus. So here what we have to compute? We have to do sum plus is equal to nums of I. Now we have to update our maximum. So we will update our maximum by max is equal to, sorry, it is not min, it is max. Max is equal to max between sum and max. Now one more condition is remaining, which is this condition. So can I write here, if my sum is less than 0, I will reset my sum to 0. I hope this is clear for everyone. That means when my sum is less than 0, I will reset it to 0. Once we are done with this, then I will say return max. So in this case, if you will see, our time complexity is big O of n, because we took only one iteration to iterate on this, and this algorithm is called Kadane's algorithm. And space complexity we have used here is big O of 1. I hope this video was helpful for you all. By all, meet you all in the next video.